Two top-tier cloud solutions, both built to power your online ambitions. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Google Cloud Platform, the all-purpose scalable cloud built for global apps. And on the right, Kinsta, premium managed WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. First things first, here's our roadmap for the showdown. We're gonna break it down by pricing model, managed services, performance and uptime, scalability, global reach, support and ease of use, and developer tools. So get comfy, this is gonna be fun. Okay, straight up, pricing is probably what everyone asks first, right? With Google Cloud Platform, you get true pay-as-you-go, like literally every cent maps to what you actually use. So if you're a control freak about costs, honestly, that's kinda awesome. But you know what's not so great? If your site or app blows up in a good way, you might see some wild price swings. Plus, figuring out the setup takes a bit of brain power. Now jump over to Kinsta, it's all these clear, fixed monthly plans. You pick a plan, it's basically what you pay, easy, that stress of budgeting, gone. But it's pricier than your basic shared host, and if you get a traffic spike, yep, overages kick in. So who wins here? Subtly tipping the cap to Google Cloud Platform just for that flexibility. Next up, let's talk managed services. GCP, it's like Disneyland for developers. Compute engines, machine learning, databases, you name it. If it's cloud, they've got it, but it gets a little nerdy. You need to know your stuff and don't expect handholding for WordPress in particular. Meanwhile, Kinsta just flat out handles everything for WordPress. You want backups, security hardening, speed tweaks, all done automatically. You barely touch a server, but the flip side is it's only for WordPress. Dream of running a Node app? Nope. So yeah, in this category, it's tough to call. Honestly, both sides totally nail what they're aiming for. We're calling it a tie. Alright, performance and uptime. Both promise speed and reliability thanks to the Google backbone. Google Cloud Platform lets you pick fancy hardware, data centers, they're the source after all. Whether you fly or flop kinda depends on your setup. If you architect it right, it flies. Jumping to Kinsta, you're getting those premium WordPress-optimized virtual machines and container-based stability. Plus, scaling is built in. On paper, super solid though. Fun fact, their TTFB, or time to first byte, is kind of average compared to some wild competitors. Limits come down to your plan size. In all, I mean, both deliver similar vibes here. We're putting GCP and Kinsta neck and neck. Oh, and here's something cool you might not realize. Kinsta actually runs exclusively on Google Cloud's premium virtual machines. So really, it's kinda like renting a luxury suite inside Google Cloud's giant skyscraper. You get all the power plus Kinsta's own magic touches. Let's talk scalability. If growth is your game, Google Cloud Platform is basically unlimited, auto-scaling everything from your virtual machines to your database to your storage. You can go enterprise level for real. The catch? You gotta set it up manually, no magic buttons. Then Kinsta upgrades are dead simple. You switch plan and boom, your site moves to bigger resources. Super smooth, just less hands-on control. But it's kinda chunky, more like leveling up than fine-tuning. Scalability winner, Google Cloud Platform, it's built for massive growth. Global reach, GCP has, honestly, a ridiculous number of locations and edge points around the world. So if you want your app living locally just about anywhere, you're set. Kinsta borrows from GCP here using their 37+ data centers. And here's something cool, you can host sites across different regions on a single plan. Sweet for agencies. Limited only by what GCP offers, so it's a shadow game. The world stage winner, Google Cloud Platform. Support and ease of use. GCP's got tons of docs, forums, and you can get paid support. But if you're not into technical stuff, it can feel like you're playing in pro mode without a manual. Free support mostly handles billing, not technical issues. In WordPress, you're kinda on your own. Kinsta, in contrast, is like having a WordPress support genie, 24/7 live chat, expert help, a dashboard made for WordPress tasks. It's premium all the way, and if you want zero learning curve, it's golden. Downside, custom stacks or random code might not get much love. The winner here, Kinsta for sure. Last category, developer tools. Google Cloud Platform, let's be honest, is a playground for devs. You get Cloud Shell IDE, SDKs, APIs, crazy automation stuff, full-on access for CI/CD, scripting, the works. But yeah, you gotta chew through complexity to use it. Kinsta's my Kinsta dashboard. It's slick, super user-friendly, gives you staging, deployment, all those little WordPress tricks, but if you want to hack away at custom stuff or go deep with DevOps, you'll hit walls. For the dev crowd, the win goes to Google Cloud Platform. If you want to see how they compare side by side, imagine a radar chart. Google Cloud Platform just edges out overall with a wider spread, especially on control and scalability. Kinsta spikes hard in simplicity and support, especially if WordPress is your thing. End of the day, choose Google Cloud Platform if you want full control, huge scalability, and a builder's toolkit for literally any kind of app, whether it's microservices, machine learning, whatever you can imagine. But if you just want fast, worry-free WordPress hosting with hand-in-glove support, and it's all powered by Google Cloud's hardware anyway, Kinsta is honestly kind of dreamy. So which one fits your next project better? Star this comparison for more cloud matchups and let me know what you're building next.